A big hello to all you art lovers out there. It is finally time for another one of our drawing tutorials. Now on this video, we will teach you how to draw a beautiful and cute doodle in an easy step-by-step process using Drawing Desk on an Android tab. Now don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon if you want to see more illustrations just like this one. Okay then, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. What would you like to see on our next video? Please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay creative.